Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. For some of you that don't know, Glowforge releases Design of the Month every month. And if you got Glowforge Premium, you get that design for free. If you don't have Glowforge Premium, you can pay for that design. But this month's design came from a creator. Her name is Shar, and her Instagram tag is Wood and Maven. I think I'm saying that right. Hopefully I am. But she created this jewelry box. And once I saw this jewelry box, I knew I wanted to try it out. This is one of those designs that I know once I get it all cut out and see how the pieces is made, I know I can learn a lot from. And this project recommends that you use 3 whole sheets of 1/8 inch hardwood, but I don't have any hardwood. I was gonna use some acrylic, but I'm not. I'm gonna use 3 whole sheets of draftboard and this Elmer's glue stick. Let's cut it out. Okay, I have all of the pieces cut out. And Glowforge also has pictures of all of these pieces laid out, so you know that you have all of the pieces needed to put the whole jewelry box together. And there you have it, the jewelry box. One thing for sure that I know I'm gonna take away from this design is how she created these outside pieces to cover up the inside cuts and joints and stuff that's put together. That's something that I would have did, because sometimes when you be making stuff, the outside of it don't look that good because it got all the finger joints or where the glue at. And when she decided to put these outside pieces around it to cover those parts up, I think that was the best thing. That was brilliant. That right there was brilliant. If you got Glowforge Premium, I highly recommend that you try to cut this out. It was really fun putting it together, and it was also easy putting together. The instructions, A1. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.